Welcome to BusinessWebMap. BusinessWebMap is a web-based subscription service that integrates with ACT by adding map contacts, route, and mileage log tabs to the toolbar. Clicking Map Contacts launches to BusinessWebMap and creates point, cluster, and heat maps from your database. Point maps help you quickly identify geographic patterns not always apparent by looking at rows and columns of data. Cluster maps quantify the number of records in specific areas, and heat maps represent location intensity. In addition to geographically visualizing your data, BusinessWebMap also adds the ability to search your data by distance. In other words, proximity searches. Find all customers, say, within 15 miles or between your first and last appointment. The results of these searches, in this case we found 15 contacts, can be returned back to ACT by clicking Save Back to ACT, then in ACT, doing a lookup, spatial search results. And as you can see, these are the same contacts we identified in BusinessWebMap. Proximity searches also sum values within a defined area, so in addition to finding 15 contacts in our original search, we also determined there were sales of more than $15 million in the polygon that we drew. In other words, you only need to draw a rectangle, circle, or polygon around any area to determine, as an example, the total sales in that area. Route stops can be selected from within BusinessMap by doing a proximity search, which we just did, or from within ACT. In ACT, we simply select the contacts to visit and click Route. Routing directions can be either sequential or optimized. Stops can be rearranged in the routing grid. Stop times can be adjusted and labeled. Routes can be saved as text and GPX files. GPX files are read by many GPS devices. Routes can also be saved to create mileage logs. Mileage logs are extremely important to anyone traveling for business purposes because the log serves to document auto expenses for company reimbursement or to support tax deduction expenses. In summary, BusinessWebMap is a web-based mapping subscription service that works from within ACT. No exporting or importing of files are necessary. It enables you to create point, cluster, and heat maps of your data so you can visually identify relationships and patterns not obvious by looking at rows and columns of data. Conduct proximity or location searches of your contact database, calculate the total value of numeric fields in selected geographic areas, and create sequential and optimize multi-stop routes to and from your contacts. That's a quick overview of how BusinessWebMap integrates with ACT. Thanks very much for watching.